Hi, today we're making 1 egg sponge cake. First take a bowl of warm water and add an egg so that the eggs are room temperature. And then separate the eggs. I like to crack them all into a bowl and then use my hands to separate them. In your egg yolk bowl, add in your milk, your vanilla extract, and your oil, and give that a nice mix. All my recipe quantities can be found on my website. Add in a little bit of the sugar, and then add a squeeze of lemon. This is completely optional. And then continue to give that a nice whisk. Next, you're gonna sift in your cake flour. You can use all-purpose flour, but cake flour has less gluten and it's better for this cake. Give that a nice mix. Next, in your egg whites, add lemon juice or vinegar or an acid, which helps to stabilize the egg whites. Whip until foamy. When it's foamy, add in your sugar a little at a time and continue to mix until the eggs are at soft peaks. Add a few spoonfuls of the egg white into your egg yolk. And give that a nice mix. Now pour the egg yolk into the egg white and flip the mixture and while turning the bowl. Pour the final product into a pan and gently bang on the table to get rid of air bubbles. Bake at 320 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Let the cake cool and then decorate with fresh fruit and whipped cream. Please note that this is only half of the cake because my brother decided to eat the other half. Bye!